Hello everyone. Today I will introduce you the delete pager number and also change mode, the notice mode. First, you can see it's in the standby mode. At this moment, we need to remove this one. Okay, let's check it's paired successfully. It's 18. Okay, you can see they cancel. And if you don't want to use the 18 and want to change another one, you can remove this one first. And we need to press the set button here for 3 seconds. Okay, now you can hear a ring and also the red light at the flash. So this means it is set successfully. Now let's check. So it's 18. Okay, you can see there's no action. So this is for remove. It's very easy. And we need to pair it again. So short press the set. Okay, it works. And this is how to remove the pager. And now let me show you how to change the notice mode. You have to pair it first. So when you press the mode, and it will change one mode. It has 5 modes in total. You can see it has the ring and the vibration and the light. Now another one. Vibration and ring. Yeah, vibration and light. Ring and light. Vibration only. So you can choose the mode which you like. And it's very easy to check and to change as well. If you have any more questions, feel free to email us at support@retekess.com. Thank you.